Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So do me a favor and hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So today I'll be talking about how to block a certain program on your PC from accessing the internet. So with this I'm using Windows 11. So with this you'll be able to block programs from accessing the internet here. So first of all, just open your search bar and search for firewall. Okay, open your firewall and network protection settings. So with this, select the advanced settings. Yes. So the firewall windows, your Windows Defender firewall window will open, and with this select the outbound rules. Select the outbound rules. Select this and select new rule. So in here you can select whether a port, whatever you want to select, by select a particular program. We are focused on the program, so select the program tab and select next. So in here you must know the directory part of your program. And in this video I will be just selecting any app. So let me browse and let me select maybe. So select the part where you can find the app. So let me use Adobe in here. So in here, this is the Adobe program. This is the application file. Okay, this is the application file. So all that I will have to do is select it and open, then next. So in here you have to just select block the connection. Select the block connection and next. Select all the three and next. The name, you can name it any name that you want, and if you want to give it a description you can, then finish. So that's it. So I have prevented Adobe from accessing the internet. And one thing that you should notice that sometimes apps of such kinds have multiple launchers. So you realize they have an application for maybe their helper. So all this can have access to the internet. So you have to make sure you select all these apps and you select all these applications, the setups, and block the internet access. So you can't just select one file in the directory and just block it. It depends on the application. Some application might have multiple application inside of it. Some might have maybe a single just exe execution file. You just have to select that and you are done. So that's it. So that's the best way to follow, and the simplest way to follow to prevent an app from accessing the internet on your computer. Okay, so if you love this video, don't forget to like, comment, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment.